Welcome to SQL tutorial. This video is about data retrieval language in SQL. Data retrieval language, DRL, is all about querying the data from the database. Its purpose is to locate, extracts, and displays the required data that is existed from database table. SQL includes commands for retrieving data using SELECT command. Let's look into this SQL SELECT command in more detail. SQL SELECT. The most used SQL operation, referred to as the query, is SELECT. SELECT is used to get data from expressions or one or more tables. To collect data, the query is customized with the SELECT statement. The SELECT statement obtains a particular row or performs a particular type of data retrieval. Let us understand more about the SQL SELECT statement in detail. Introduction to SQL SELECT statement. This SQL tutorial demonstrates how to create a basic SELECT statement and provides more understanding about it in further explanations, examples, and exercises. All about SQL SELECT. As already mentioned before, the SQL SELECT statement is used for querying and retrieving data records from database. The records retrieved are known as a result set. The SELECT statement contains the syntax for all the following database operations: selecting columns, selecting rows, grouping data, joining tables, performing simple calculations. Let's understand all these functionalities of SQL SELECT further with examples and illustrations. The SQL SELECT statement syntax. The basic SQL SELECT statement syntax is as follows: select list from table name. Each SQL SELECT query statement must contain both a select and a from clause. The combination of these two clauses determine the table columns that are searched by the query. In this syntax, first, the select clause specify a list of comma-separated columns for query the data. It mentions the columns from which data values are to be retrieved by the query. Data retrieval is limited to the columns specified. Second, from clause. Specify the table name. When evaluating the select statement, the database system evaluates the from clause first and then the select clause. Select clauses. The other clauses that can be mentioned in the SQL SELECT statement are: first, where clause, for filtering data based on a specified condition. Second, order by clause, for sorting the result set. Third, join clause, for querying data from multiple related tables. Fourth, group by clause, for grouping data based on one or more columns. And the last is having clause, for filtering groups. Let's see the example queries of SQL SELECT statements and its resultant set of records that are displayed after execution. This is the sample database taken for demonstration purposes. Here the database relation is employee, and its attributes are employee ID, first name, last name, email, phone number, hire date, job ID, salary, manager ID, department ID. SQL SELECT, querying data from all columns. Asterisk is used to query data from all columns of a table. This option is default, which selects all columns and rows from the database. Example, select asterisk from employees. This example retrieves data from all the columns of the employees table. Result set. The result set contains the data of the columns in the order which they were defined when the employees table was created. Output. This SQL statement, when executed in SQL Worksheet, will display all the data from the employees table. SQL SELECT, querying data from specific columns. It will specify which columns exactly needed for retrieving data from the database table is kept in the projection list. To select a specific columns in a table, list those column names separated by commas in the Select clause. Example: select employee ID, first name, last name, hire date from employees. This query retrieves only the employee ID, first name, last name, and hire date of all employees. Result set includes only 4 columns specified in the Select clause. Output: the given statement, when executed in the SQL worksheet, will display the specified column list values from the employees table. SQL SELECT, performing a simple calculation. The select statement is also used to perform simple calculations. A select clause's projection list may include expressions, constants, and/or column names. Utilizing an expression that combines data values from one or more columns can be useful in some situations. An expression may contain any valid arithmetic expression that uses functions, arithmetic operators, numeric or text constants, and column values. Example: select first name, last name, salary, salary plus, salary asterisk 15/100 from employees. This query retrieves the salary increment by 15% of all employees. Output: the result set is displayed with 15% increment in the salary values of employees. Sorting data. The next one will look into the topic of sorting data values in the resultant set. How records are retrieved in the sorted order. It is done by using SQL order by clause in select statement. Let's look into the purpose of it. Select, without order by, returns records in no particular order. The order by clause ensures sorting of records in specific order. Order by allows sorting by one or more columns. Records can be returned in ascending or descending order. The SQL order by syntax: select column 1, column 2, from table name, order by column 1, ascending, column 2 descending. About the syntax: the order by clause appears after the from clause. In case the select statement contains a where clause, the clause must appear after the where clause. The result set is sorted according to the sorted order, ascending or descending, that has specified after the columns. The default sort order of the order by clause for the result set is ascending. SQL order by clause examples. Example 1. Select employee underscore ID, first underscore name, last underscore name, hire underscore date, salary from employees, order by first underscore name. This example sorts the employee records in ascending order by first underscore name column alphabetically. Output: the resultant set of the given SQL statement, when executed in SQL worksheet, displays records from employees table in the sorted order of the specified column as shown. Example 2. Select employee underscore ID, first underscore name, last underscore name, hire underscore date, salary. From employees order by first underscore name, last underscore name, DSC. This example sorts the employees by the first name in ascending order and the last name in descending order. Output: the resultant set of the given SQL statement, when executed in SQL worksheet, displays records from employees table in the sorted order of the specified column as shown. SQL order by clause to sort values in a numeric column example. Example: select employee underscore ID, first underscore name, last underscore name, hire underscore date, salary from employees, order by salary, DSC. This statement sorts the employee records in descending order by salary column values. Output: the resultant set of the given SQL statement, when executed in SQL worksheet, displays records from employees table in the sorted order of the specified column as shown. SQL order by to sort dates example. Select employee underscore ID, first underscore name, last underscore name, hire underscore date, salary from employee's order. By hire underscore date, this statement sorts the employee records in ascending order by hire underscore date column values. Output. The resultant set of the given SQL statement, when executed in SQL Worksheet, displays records from Employees table in the sorted order of the specified column as shown. Thank you. Kindly like, share, subscribe,